Okay, so we're gonna be going down a street called Filomena. It's you can kind of see it through the colors. There's like kind of a green, like there's a green building and a red building. So it's between this way and around this way. They do lion dancing here, and this is a little temple right here. So we're also gonna go through this one as well. And we're starting kind of near, not too far from the fortress, so which is up that way, Fortress Monch. And we're basically gonna go to Sao Paulo, towards Sao Paulo ruins area. And we're just gonna go through this little space right in here, and then we're gonna go out that way. So stay tuned for that. So we're basically gonna be connecting spots. So and we'll kind of walk through this whole little space right here and kind of show you what it is as well. Actually, there's a whole little lane, but we're gonna go through that way in a minute. So stay tuned. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so Filomena is going to be that focus street over there. Just going to go down through here real quick. Before we go down, I should probably give you. Oh, we're gonna basically come down that way. Let's just do a little quick 360 here. Okay, let's just go on down. So this temple right here is Nacha Temple, Buran Kasada das Verdade, like the truth. There are these little patios as well. So there's kind of goes down that way, and it also goes down to this patio down this way. Let's just take a quick glance into it. I think I filmed that before. I've definitely walked down it. I've walked down so many streets I don't remember which ones I filmed sometimes. I think we're gonna walk through that way. And then this one, there's also kind of a nice space. That one is where they do line dancing, that one right there. So we could go like that through there. Okay. So we're just gonna walk into this little thing. It's so cool. Like it's used for storage. Flower shop right there too. It's kind of cool to be, if you're right there, there's like a nice little breeze right here. Oh, it's abandoned. Well, right here there's a nice breeze, and you can also smell the incense. It's really beautiful actually. So if you had a flower shop right there with the scent of the flowers. Here's something called AI Kitchen. A little travessa. It's not our target street. Our target street is the other one. I think this one, it says AI Kitchen. There's a sign that says cherish every moment, so that's what it looks like inside. Huh, looks pretty popular. You can sit outside as well. Look at that. Looks pretty cool like that too. Okay, so that temple was right there. Here's another little space that I gotta get down to Filomena Street. Dang. I don't know. Should I do this street instead? Patio de Ho Chin Sin Tong. I don't think I've filmed it before. So we're basically Travessa de Sancho Pacha, and we started at that temple. I was gonna go down to this other spot. We got so many cool stuff all along the way that I think it's better if I just focus this one, because I've never filmed this street. So actually this is actually gonna turn into a different one altogether, and it's gonna be based on this one. You can understand why I did that though. Look at that beautiful plaza. It's all pedestrian. Okay, so now we're gonna go down Patio de Ho Chin Sin Tong, and this will be our focus street. It's like kind of a little piece of artwork right there, like in an oddest way. I don't think it's intended artwork. Never filmed this. Huh. Okay, so we are gonna head on down. Look at the coloring of the walls. Accidental arts gallery. So there's like an arts gallery in there. I can see some of the artwork in there. It's like some Macau art. So ring the doorbell. Actually, some really nice artwork. I kind of want to film the street though, so. Actually, it's a nice venue right there. I don't think many people come up to the street. I haven't really walked up this one. I see it from down there, but you know, I see steps and I'm not really sure where it goes, and I think it's a dead end. Now I realize that it actually goes somewhere. This is what I thought looked like kind of artwork a little bit from up there. It looked like it could have been like an angel shape, and it could be turned into something, right? There's a lot of possibilities for that in an artistic way. Yeah, that's like prime. That's a prime spot to artify. Can't believe that's not even into art already. It's like amazing, actually. Coffee shop right there. Flawless skincare. Yeah, that should be some artwork right there. We got arms, you got legs, like you could do somebody squatting or doing splits. I don't know, all kinds of different stuff you could do that. Head tilted to the side, which could convey different interesting emotions as well. I mean, you put like a tortoise head on there. I don't know, all kinds of stuff. Anything. Wig on there, human being shaped, all kinds of stuff. Anyways. This like coffee shop looks really popular. I see a pizza in here too. Huh. There's a long line. I never even knew this was here. Okay. Oh, check this out. Good juice. It's like a little juice place. Cops, oops, warehouse. Okay. The battery's overheating. It's actually a really hot day. So we'll see how long this lasts. And I'll probably have to end it for the day. All those coffee cups. Looks like you can also sit right there. Oh no, you cannot. There's the steps into it. Pretty cool little space though. Okay. There's another bakery that's closed, GV2. Huh. It's kind of a cool looking little door right there. Okay. Kind of cool. There's actually another coffee shop right there. Let's look here. Waffles. Smoked salmon. Paris salon. All kinds of cool stuff. Hair salon place. Salon Renew. Actually, this whole street should be beautified. It should be, it has all the shops already. All you need to do is beautify the street. It's amazing little pedestrian street with all kinds of cool stuff. You beautify this and there's some other nice artwork, you know, something that kind of draws people in. It's just a garbage one, it has some paint already, but it could be really beautified into something totally different. Have that little squatting thing and then put some other sculptures in here. You could even have like some benches in the middle, really inviting, you know, paint these a certain color, you know, put the, like some of these aren't really painted that well, but this is a really inviting space. There's actually a breeze in here too. I've never been in this street. I've never looked inviting enough or worthy enough to come into. But yeah, Patio de Ho Chi Minh, it is right there. So yeah, this street is actually really, really cool. Really, really cool. I didn't know anything about this. This is a really cool street. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you the location of it. It's kind of in this interesting spot anyways. What I'm going to do is I'm going to walk into the alley in a second. I'm going to see if I can go down, and I'm going to show you this other shortcut all the way down that way, and I'll kind of tell you what I'm going to do. But anyways, this is Pedro, the sign is right there, so I'll show you in a second. But you can see all these black and white tiles everywhere. So this little alley, this little patio, actually connects to stuff. I just thought it was a dead end, and I didn't really know why people would go up there. Then this one goes to the Portuguese bookstore, a few other stuff, so you can walk all the way down that way in the Estado Square and stuff, all the ruins. So that little patio is in a really ideal location, right next to this one. And it goes all the way up to Mont Fort, which is like the highest, one of the highest spots. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna go into this little alley, because I'm gonna show you another little alley, and we'll just kind of combine it real quick. This is a nice restaurant right here, by the way. We're actually gonna go through this alley, but this restaurant right here is owned by an Australian guy. And so we basically went through that patio all the way up that way. I'm just gonna show you something real quick. They created this new street. Actually, the street's always been here, but it was closed for the 10 years that I was here until about 6 months ago. There's a coffee shop right here, and right there as well. That coffee shop has been there for a while, but it wasn't really that easy to get to. And this alley was kind of nothing, but they're beautifying this alley. I think they're going to beautify it. All kinds of cool stuff in Macau. I was going to pass through this alley real quick. This is the name of this alley if you're curious. Shrine. And we're going to end it when we come up to Rua do Campo and Travessa dos Anjos, which is Angel Street and Field Street. So this is actually our alley right there, Carpadera. Then this actually is like Street of the Angels, so you can see all the people coming all the way down. Let's see if we can. So this whole alley is kind of a popular street that connects that one down to where we're going to be going to in a minute. You can see how popular it is, right? There's people everywhere in the street. I filmed this street many times as well, but it's called Travessa dos Anjos. There's all the black and white tiles as well, so it's kind of an interesting spot. But what I'm going to do in a moment is I'm going to take the camera to the main street right here, but you can kind of see there's just tons of people coming through. called Travessa dos Anjos. And that's going to be where it's going to come out to, is the Field Street. So yeah, anyways, that little patio was kind of cool, wasn't it? And it comes out to this popular area over here. Oh, there's a... Hey, good. Travessa dos Anjos right there. And that's Ciudad Campo right there. So basically, let me just kind of give you a little 360 right here. So a lot of stuff I could film in this area, but actually that one was kind of the key. Was that this alley right here goes up to that Pedro Nolasco, so that one right up there goes up as well, and there's a street called Pedro Nolasco, and then right up above it. So it was basically kind of up on that side. That's where we started at, and we're gonna end it right here today. Pretty cool little patio though. I really like that one. That was kind of unintended, so quite an interesting video, the whole progression of it. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.